choose the appropriate one for your OS. We'll go through the process now. Once we've set up the JDK, we need to set it up in Eclipse. We'll call it MyFirstGUIProgram. Right now it's using Java SE16. We need to set it up so that it uses JDK 1.8. So click on this here and configure JREs. We'll add a new GRE. Next, we'll click on directory and we'll select this here, JDK 1.8.0 underscore 333. So the link should be C program files Java and then this one here. Select folder and click finish. We'll select the new one that we just installed, apply and close. Scroll down. Now we need to set the settings for the compiler compliance. Click on configure. Click here and then select 1.8. Click apply and close. Click finish. Now we need to create a new class. We'll call it the same. Click finish. I also provide the code for the program here. You can just copy it, delete this and paste it here. We'll run it. It should display something similar to this. Windows with hello world text in the middle.